Did you know that 80% of people selling on Facebook fail because they don't know how to post effectively in groups? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to post in a way that doubles or triples your engagement and helps you close more sales. First, choose quality groups. Groups with real members and high engagement will be a great launchpad for your posts. Stay away from groups filled with fake accounts and spam, as they'll only waste your time. Next, writing engaging content is an essential step. Apply the AIDA formula. Use a strong headline to grab attention. Tell a story or present a problem that your customers care about and clearly state your product's benefits. And finally, don't forget to include a clear call to action. For example, message us now to receive today's exclusive offer. Then, use eye-catching images or videos. Remember, authentic photos and short videos are much more appealing than anything you find on Google. Authenticity is always highly valued. The next step is to choose the right time to post. The prime times to post are from 7 to 9 in the morning, 12 to 1 in the afternoon, and 7 to 9 in the evening. These are the times when users are online checking news and shopping. Finally, to boost engagement on your post, you can ask friends and acquaintances to like and comment right after you publish. Adding a few relevant hashtags also helps your post reach more people. If you follow these 5 steps correctly, your post will no longer get buried. If you find this helpful, comment Mr. KT to receive more sales tips.